Do you have a zero-point energy machine? Here is a fun fact about it, because if it works, you could be awarded the Nobel Prize, but you might destroy the entire universe before you get the medal. Even in the vacuum of space, quantum fields have fluctuations, and these fluctuations are what we call zero-point energy, the lowest possible energy state of the vacuum. Now, there are some questionable people out there that believe that you could extract these fluctuations and use them as a free energy source. But since zero-point energy is the lowest possible value for the vacuum, you can't take energy from it, unless, of course, we're in a false vacuum. Don't get too excited, you're not going to like what happens. Our universe may be in a metastable state, a false vacuum, meaning that there could be a lower, more stable state, a true vacuum state. Now, if this was the case, then it is theoretically possible that our universe could spontaneously transition to this more stable state, and this is what's called vacuum decay. And this is one of the ways that our universe could come to an end. Now, to be clear, most physicists consider that the vacuum decay scenario is an extremely unlikely event and that it would require conditions and energy far more extreme than anything we could possibly achieve with current or foreseeable technology. Technology such as extracting zero-point energy from the vacuum. Now, the process of doing this needs you to break a number of laws of physics, but if it was possible, it could, in theory, lower the energy barrier between the false vacuum and the true vacuum, which could then increase the probability of triggering vacuum decay. And so our universe as we know it would cease to exist. I'm not trying to fearmonger here. If vacuum decay did happen, it's extremely unlikely, but it's what we call a non-zero probability, so we have to speak truthfully about it. But if it did happen, none of us would even realize. There's nothing to see coming, nothing to prepare for, nothing to prevent. So we just go about our lives as normal. And the thing is, we know that none of these companies are actually creating zero-point energy machines. We know it's all a scam by people who don't understand science trying to make money. So we don't really need to worry about it. But if the machines did work, if they could actually extract zero-point energy, then we have much, much bigger problems. Realistically, the situation would have to be pretty extreme to actually trigger vacuum decay. But even having technology that can increase the probability of transitioning to a true vacuum state, it's not worth it, guys. So even if this technology was real, it's definitely not. It would have to be destroyed immediately, and we should all be okay with that. See you next time, nerds.